Rumors of a third Chimurenga and a move on Chiwenga have begun to circulate in the dark corners of Zimbabwe politics. Is there any truth to whisper of a slow coup within the ruling party? The investigative report analyzes the body language, the shifting alliances and strategic appointments that suggest a massive power struggle is underway. We simplify the internal dynamics of ZANU-PF, explaining the Lacoste versus General Chiwenga factions in a way that anyone can understand. A secret move on Chiwenga, Mnangagwa, and Chiwenga's fight turns dangerous as CIO monitor VPC secret meetings with army generals. Subscribe or like on the bell. Why was there a move to check Vice President Chiwenga's influence, and how does the recent donation to MPs fit into his power play? We look at the historical context of Zimbabwean coups and ask if history is about to repeat itself. This story is not just about politics, it's about the very survival of the current administration. We go beyond the unity, public appearances to show you the cracks that are beginning to widen. If you want to know who is really in charge in Harare, this is the story you cannot afford to miss. The political landscape of Zimbabwe is currently dominated by a succession battle between President Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga. At the heart of this escalating conflict is Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, a legislative proposal that seeks to extend President Mnangagwa's term beyond his constitutionally mandated second term in 2028, pushing it to 2030. This move has ignited a profound debate within the ruling ZANU-PF party and across the nation, exposing deep fissures within the political elite. VP Chiwenga has emerged as a vocal opponent of CAP 3, framing his resistance around the core principles of the liberation struggle. He has embarked on a renewed narrative, framing campaign asserting that the reason people fought for Zimbabwe's independence was primarily for land and the sacred principle of one man, one vote. This stance directly challenges Mnangagwa's proposed constitutional changes, which Chiwenga views as an affront to these foundational tenets. The Vice President insisted that any amendments to presidential term limits must be subjected to a national referendum, a demand that has been hotly contested within ZANU-PF circles. ZANU-PF, backed by President Mnangagwa, argues that a referendum is unnecessary because the proposed changes do not remove term limits, but merely alter the electoral cycle. However, opposition parties and civil society organizations vehemently disagree, contending that elongating Mnangagwa's 10-year request direct public endorsement through a referendum. This intense debate over CAP 3 has triggered significant controversy, highlighting a fundamental disagreement on the interpretation of democratic principles and the legacy of the liberation struggle. Doma developments are the atmosphere is now volatile in the ruling party ZANU-PF. In the comment section, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.